Dear students, today we are going to learn some problems from the lesson electric current. The question is here: 3 resistors 10 ohm, 20 ohm, 30 ohm are connected in A series, B parallel. Find the resultant resistance in the circuit. So here 3 resistors are connected in the both ways. One is series connection and next one is in the parallel. So we have to find out resultant resistance in the circuit. So first write the given values. What is given? Solution. What is given first? Resistances. So resistance of the resistors resistance of the resistors. So how many resistors are here? 3 resistors. So we can take here R1 equals to 10 ohm, next to R2 equals to 20 ohm, next what is the next one, and R3 equals to 30 ohm. From this we have to find out the resultant resistance in the series connection and also in the parallel connection. Now first we are going to find a series connection, and we have one formula that if the resistors are arranged in the series connection, so total resistance R equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3. This is the formula we have. So that substitute the values. Resistance equals to R equals to R1 means 10 ohm plus R2 20 and R3 30. So resultant resistance is 10 plus 20, total 60 ohm. The resultant resistance in the series connection is 60 ohm. And next we have to find out parallel in the parallel connection. So here in the if the resistors are arranged in the parallel connection, and we have that formula resultant resistance, that is 1 by R equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. This is the formula we have. 1 by R, resultant resistance equals to 1 by R equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So 1 by R equals to, what are the values given? 1 by R1 means 10 plus 1 by R2 means 20 plus 1 by R3 means 30. So 1 by R equals to, make the LCM 10, 20, 30. That is 60 is the LCM. So here 6 plus 3 plus 2. 1 by R equals to 6 plus 3, 9 plus 2, 11. 11 by 60. So that R equals to, if we find the reciprocal values, 60 by 11. This is the R value we can. This is the R value, ohm, that equals to, we can use that. If we find the division, R equals to 11 ones are 11, 11 5s are 55, point remains, so total 5 remains again 50, that is 11 4s are, that equals to R equals to 5.4 approximately, 5.4 ohm. If we find continuously, then again 11 5s are 45 means here how much we got? 50. 11 4s are 44. 6 means again 11 5s are 55, and again it will be continuous 5.454545. so if we use the 5 point r equals to 5.454545 like that. If we reduce these values, we can write simply 5.5 ohm. This is the resultant resistance in the parallel connection. If the three resistors are connected in the series and in the parallel. Okay, the next example is example 2. Three resistors R1 ohm, 4 ohm and 8 ohm are connected in the series. Three resistors R1 ohm, 4 ohm and 8 ohm are connected in series in a circuit. If the resultant resistance in the circuit is 20 ohm, find the value of R1. So here what is given? Three resistors resistance is given. First one is R1 ohm and next 4 ohm and 8 ohm, and the resultant resistance is 20 ohm. These are given and we have to find out the R1 value. Solution. First R1 value is not given. This one is taking R2 and this one is R3 and this one may be resultant resistance R value. Now write the values. What are given? Given values. Given R1 equals to R1 ohm, next R2 equals to 4 ohm, next R3 equals to 8 ohm, and also resultant resistance is given. What is resultant resistance? Resultant resistance R equals to how much is given? 20 ohm. That means R equals to what? R1 plus R2 plus R3. So that what we can write? R means how much? 20 ohm equals to R1 means R1 ohm plus R2 means how much? 4 plus R3 means 8, and again from this R1 equals to 20. We are transposing these two values the left side. So R1 equals to 20 minus 8 plus 4, 12. So that R1 equals to 20 minus 12, 8 ohm. This is the remaining resistance value. R1 equals to 8 ohm. The next question is example 3, that is two resistors R1 ohm and 12 ohm are connected in parallel in a circuit. If the resultant resistance in the circuit is 3 ohm, find the value of R1. What is given here? Again two resistors resistance value is given, that is first one is R1 ohm and second one is 12 ohm, and with these resultant resistance also given, that is how much? 3 ohm. We have to find out. Actually the resistors are connected in parallel connection only, so we have to find out the R1 value. Write that. Solution. What is given? Given resistors are in which connection? Parallel connection. R1 equals to R1 ohm, next R2 equals to how much? 12 ohm, and resultant resistance also given. What is that? Resultant resistance is also given R equals to how much, that is 3 ohm. And before this problem we have solved about the series connection. Now what is the series connection? Resultant resistance R equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3, like that. Now here these resistors are connected in parallel. Resistors are connected in parallel. So that means resultant resistance equals to resultant resistance R equals to 1 by R equals to how many resistors are there? 2. 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. R value how much it is given? Resultant resistance 3 ohm. That means 1 by 3 equals to 1 by R1 value we have to find out. So 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 means how much? We have 12 ohm. That means 1 by R1 equals to 1 by 3 minus 1 by 12. So 1 by R1 equals to LCM 3 and 12, LCM is 12. That means 4, 3 4 are 12, 4, that means 4 into numerator is what? 1. So simply I am writing for understanding, 4 into 1 minus here 12 means 12 ones are 12 only, that means 1 into 1, that equals to 1 by R1 equals to 4 minus 1 by 12, that equals to 3 by 12. 3 ones are 3 4s are. So here how much we got? 1 by R1 equals to 1 by R1 by 4. So R1 equals to 4 ohms. So this is the we needed, that is R1 equals to 4 ohm. Okay, the next question is example 4. Here observe the given circuit. So a circuit is given here and calculate the resultant resistance by using the figure, and in this circuit we have to find the resultant resistance. So here how many resistors are there? 1 2 and here with this 3. So these two resistors are we are taking as like R1. How we are taking this? This is just think R1 and this one is R2 and this one is we are taking as R3. So here these two resistors R1 and R2 are connected in parallel, and first we have to find out the resultant resistance in these two resistors. After that how much resistance we will get, and with these two, this resistor, that means R3 is connected in the series. After that we can add this resistance value to this total resistance and we can get the total resultant resistance in this circuit. So that first come to the question answer solution. So how many resistors are here? From the given circuit, so what are given here? We have only taken R1 equals to 4 ohm and R2 equals to 12 ohm. R1 equals to 4 ohm this one and R2 equals to 12 ohm this one, and these two are connected in which way? Parallel. From the given circuit these two resistors are connected in parallel parallel. So if the resistors are connected in parallel, what is the resultant resistance formula? What is the resultant resistance formula? So resultant resistance 1 by R equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. If the two resistors are connected in parallel and the resultant resistance is 1 by R1 plus 1 by R equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So 1 by R equals to 1 by R1 means how much? 4 ohm. 1 by 4 plus 1 by R2 means 12. So with these two, I'll take the LCM. 1 by R equals to LCM is 12. So 4 3s are 12. That means 3 into numerator 1 plus 12 1s are 12. That means 1 into 1. That equals to 1 by R equals to 3 plus 1 by 12. That equals to 4 by 12. 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Now so next R1, 1 by R1 equals to 1 by R equals to how much we got? 1 by 3. That means R equals to 3 ohm. What is the resultant resistance between R1 and R2 if these two are connected in parallel? Now we got this one. And next, so these two resistors are connected with this resistor in series connection. So now we can write that one. R1 resistors R1 and R2 are connected. R1 and R2 are connected to R3 in series. So what is the resultant resistance if the resistors are connected in series? So resultant resistance R equals to R1 plus R2. Now next, so R equals to R1 means how much we got? This one. So 3 plus here R2 means R3 value we have to take 7. So R equals to 10 ohm. So totally what is the total resultant force in the what is total resultant resistance in this circuit? 10 ohm. So R equals to 10 ohm. This is the total resultant resistance in this circuit. First, look at these two resistors. These two are parallel to each other, and after that these two are connected in series to the third resistance. So that first we have to find the resultant resistance in these two resistors. After that we have to find the resultant resistance with resistance R3 in the series connection.